Okay, gonna try another fake kingfisher test. Turn my camera on. This time I'm still in SAFMF. I'm using my C4 custom settings, which is a single focus point you can move to the exact position you want. I'm going to put it on the eye of the kingfisher as close as I can get it, so I think that's probably it. It's recognising that it's got the subject, so I've just turned the camera on. I'm going to take a shot. Oh, I thought I was on silent shutter. Well, I was on mechanical shutter. Never mind. Let's review that shot. Looks to be sharp. Let's take another shot. And that's out of focus. I really want it with a 2-second delay on silent, so I'll try that. Make sure it's not me vibrating the camera. That's out of focus. This whole thing's on a tripod, so I'm going to cycle the camera again. Here we are. Reboot. 2-second delay. Test it again. Focus confirm. That's in focus. Try again. 2-second delay. No, that's out of focus. So it's definitely, even if you get the focus point exactly where you want it, and you've got the subject recognition, it still doesn't pull it into focus. And just to convince myself, turn the camera off, turn the camera on. Everything looks fine. Try it again. Boom, no good. Sorry, Kingfisher.